Good morning, YouTubers. Just wanted to do a quick video on frame painting. We're no experts by any means, but we have a fleet of trucks, and I always hate taking one of my trucks out and seeing rust and grime and paint falling off and everything else. So I just wanted to show you what we did here. A friend of mine came in and helped us out. We used the Pour Metal Prep. First, we steam cleaned the whole frame, got rid of all the grease, oils, all that garbage, and then we sprayed it down with Metal Prep. This is basically acid, some form of acid, I'm not sure what, but when you smell it, it's almost like the wheel cleaning acid or trailer cleaning acid. And also tractor enamel. I think you always want to use an oil-based enamel when you're doing this type of work, but you do whatever you want. I will show you the thinner we used. We were trying to spray it first without using thinner because everyone said this stuff don't need thin. It completed the job, but not near as nice as if you thin it. So then we thinned it down. You can use mineral spirits or the stuff I'm about to show you the label on. We'll put that label in the video as well. So basically, steam clean it or take it to a car wash, wash it all down, wash it with some Metal Prep, and then go ahead and spray it. One of my truck drivers said he was pulled over one time and the officer told him that they definitely judge you by your truck. If they see all kinds of worn tires and schlepped out this and that, and a horrible frame looks like it's ready to rust through, they're definitely going to DOT your truck and look a little harder than if they pull one over and think that the driver or the owner had some pride in the vehicle. So in my opinion, it's definitely worth nice tires and a nice looking frame. Come on up here, Rex. If you look, we did the whole enchilada frame along the. This looked terrible before. We'll show you a little before pictures on our other truck that's a sister truck to this one. That'll give you a good idea since we're filming a little late. So this frame is actually a lot nicer than the one that I just showed you redone. But if you look down in here, you can see where flaking and stuff and rust. And look up here, see all the inner frame there where you got all that rust. You can knock all the heavy stuff off. And I'll show you another tool that we use that you probably already know about, the needles in that little impact gun. Those needles work pretty good at knocking all your loose debris off. Get all that junk off, because if you just paint over it, it's going to fall off and then you have a bare rust spot anyway. This is one of the needle tools. This does a nice job. You plug this bad boy in the air and you go along the way and it'll actually needle. It'll poke out all your little rust spots and all your loose debris. But it does a pretty nice job. This one's a generic one. I'm sure you can buy some for $500 because you just want name brand. But this one does a nice job.